Breathe if you want to date me. Oh, come on, I'm not.
That first beat is right on time, right on top, like they say that. They say that, like they say that. Like you go down, like you the sundown, come through honey, like you did.
Think about it, not long ago, on the verge of no return, I was all alone. Can't lie, when I had a couple people right there, still felt like nobody was there. Be real, can't nobody take real.
Like me?
Only if you tell me if you like me.
Why should I tell you that?
Because if you tell me how you feel about me, then I'll tell you how I feel about you.
Okay. Okay, I like you. You know I like you. Now you like me or what?
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking any bad bitches, jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra.
Hey, morning. Can I ask you a question? Do you have boyfriend? And if you don't, can I be yours?
You have boyfriend? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Honey, why you don't have? You look so pretty, like model, cheerleader, something pretty. You like long or short nails? Short nails. Oh, honey, that's why you don't have a boyfriend.
Redefine, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get declined, oh Lord. My baby is driving me crazy.
Let's be friends. High five if you want to be my friend.
Dali na! Mag-GA kita kaupod ang Lawm Mobile Sounds. The best!
Gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Your turn.
So you guys, yeah, this is my boyfriend. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Be quiet. You literally just kidnapped me. No, I didn't. I don't know what he's talking about. Seriously, guys, I'm not her boy. That should make him be quiet. Anyway, so yeah, that's my boyfriend.
Oh, she's super cute. I should probably say something. Hey. Hi.
Oh my god, he's actually talking to me. I have to say something super cool back. Yo! What's poppin'? Oh my god, I'm such a fucking loser.
Don't be scared.
Freeze! I can't shoot you. You're too cute. I'm not cute. I'm adorable.
जैसे जादू हो गया है.
You are my homie, lover and friend. Exactly why you light me up inside like the 4th of July.